Welcome to my channel. In this tutorial video, I'm gonna teach you how to download and install virtual machine in your Windows OS. This will work in Windows 7, 8 and 10. Okay, so first of all, let us know what is VMware. VMware is a free open source software using which you can install different OS on your native OS. So for example, right now I am using Windows 10 in its PC, and when I will install VMware, I will be able to install different kinds of Linux OS, like you might have heard Kali Linux, Ubuntu, Mint, etc. They all are popular one. So now let's start our video. First of all, choose your favorite browser and search for VMware player, download here. Then you will see this link, official one. Just double click and just go down. You will see for Windows and this for Linux. I'm using Windows, so I'm gonna download now here. It will take few minutes. It is 146 MB file. You need to wait for it. So let's wait. So guys, now my file is finally downloaded. So I'm going here in my files, download section here, VMware player, here it is. So double click it here, click on yes. It will take few seconds for installation, sorry, preparation. So now you can see your next button, so click it next, agree all the terms here, so agree, click on next, next again, next again, next. So now finally you can see your install button, so click it here. Now your VMware workstation will get installed. It will take few minutes. Need to do is wait here, so let's wait. Okay, now my friends, here you can see my VMware workstation is downloaded, right? So double click it here, open it. Here my file is open. Its interface is like this. Create a new virtual machine here. So whenever you will add a new OS, here you will add. So click on next, Linux, Debian 64. Here if I'm installing Kali, then Kali here. Just we will click next, finish it here, and we'll see option like this. And we do like this. Thanks for watching.